In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an email alias on Outlook. An email alias is an extra address that points to your same inbox so you can send and receive messages without creating a brand new account. It's great for separating personal mail from signups or projects while keeping everything in one place. Start by opening your web browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Sign into your Outlook account if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your Microsoft account dashboard in a new tab. On the Microsoft account page, find the section labeled Your Info and select it. This area controls your profile details and the ways you sign in. On the Your Info page, look for Account Info or a link that says Edit Account Info and click it. This is where you manage your primary sign-in details and add aliases. Next, select Add Email. This opens the options for adding a new address that will work alongside your current one. Choose the option that says Create a new email address and add it as a username. Type the address you want to use as your alias. Pick something memorable and professional, and make sure it reflects how you plan to use it. The system will check availability and let you know if the address is taken. If it is, try small variations until you find one that's available. When you're happy with the new alias, click Add Username to save it. That's the action that finalizes the alias and attaches it to your account. You may see a brief confirmation, and in some cases, you might be asked to confirm your identity for security, so just follow any on-screen prompts. After adding the alias, it can take a few minutes to show up across Microsoft services. Once it's active, messages sent to that new address will arrive in your existing inbox, and you can use it when signing up for websites or sharing contact details without exposing your primary address. If you're composing email in Outlook and don't immediately see the option to send from your alias, give it a moment and refresh your browser. A couple of quick tips. Choose an alias that matches its purpose, keep your account recovery info up to date, and remember that some organizational or school accounts may have restrictions set by an administrator. And that's it. You've successfully set an email alias on Outlook.